Hello friends and welcome to Coin Mühendisi Global. The 7th video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is about Fibonacci levels and how to use them. But before we start to our video, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So if you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. Fibonacci Retracement is a method of technical analysis for determining support and resistance levels. It is named after the Fibonacci sequence of numbers whose ratios provide price levels to which markets tend to retrace a portion of a move before a trend continues in the original direction. Fibonacci numbers are a never-ending sequence starting with 0 and 1 and continuing by adding the previous two numbers, such as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. Fibonacci retracements can be used to place entry orders, determine stop-loss levels, or set price targets. In an upward trend, you can select the Fibonacci line tool, select the low price and drag the cursor up to the high price. Or you can do the opposite if it is a downtrend. In either case, the indicator will mark key ratios such as 61.8, 0.5 and 38.2. Although 50 is not a pure Fibonacci ratio, it is still used as a support and resistance indicator. The crucial Fibonacci retracement levels are 61.8 and 38.2. For example, a trader might see a stock moving higher. After a move up, it retraces to the 61.8 level. Then it will start to go up again. You can use the Fibonacci retracement to identify important support and resistance zones, and then later use these zones to enter into a profitable trade with using other indicators. That is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.